If your Google TV colors look weird, too red, pink, or washed out, it's usually caused by a mismatch in your HDMI color formats or how your TV processes video signals. In this quick guide, I'll show you the one setting that usually fixes it instantly. From your Google TV home screen, use your remote to navigate to the settings gear icon. Now go to Device Preferences or System depending on your OS version. Go to About. Then scroll down to your Google TV OS build. Use your TV remote's OK button to tap on it 7 times. This will enable the developer options. Confirm your choice if you get prompted or anything. After that, go back to Device Preferences. Scroll down and find Developer Options. Inside Developer Options, find the Picture Color Mode setting. Turn on Use sRGB and turn it off. See which one helps. If neither work, change your TV color. Scroll down from here. Now select Stimulate Color Space. Shift between the color options here, like Monochromacy and Deuteronomaly, and so on. Eventually, after switching between all of them, choose Disable at the end. This sometimes resets the color correction of your TV. In most cases, almost any kind of display issue that is not hardware related gets fixed by this. And that's it. Just one simple setting to restore perfect color on your Google TV. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick TV fixes. Thanks for watching.